Great. Now, let us say when we put one ball at random, what is the probability that the ball is not a blue ball, right? So this is nothing but probability of event not happening. So the probability of event not happening is equal to 1 minus probability of event happening, right? Again, this is a very important formula that you need to remember. Okay, so the probability of no blue ball is equal to 1 minus probability of blue ball, right? That is nothing but probability of no blue ball is equal to 1 minus 8 upon 19, and 1 minus 8 upon 19 is nothing but 11 upon 19, right? So if you see here, these two answers are the same. Therefore, can I say probability of red plus probability of green is equal to 1 minus probability of blue? Therefore, probability of blue plus probability of red plus probability of green is equal to 1, right? So the sum of all the probabilities of a particular event is always equal to 1. Again, this is a very important formula that you need to remember here on probabilities. Alright? Okay, is that clear?
Yes.